Hi guys, my name is Sanjay Martek and in today's video I'm going to show you how to wash your car with our professional tools. Step 1. I recommend you to park your car into the shade because if you don't, the water vaporizes too quickly and you don't have time to clean. In this video I'm going to use this Kerher pressure washer. You don't need it, but it's way easier to clean your car with it. For the wheels I use this Lotus cleaning wheel cleaner. I leave it for a minute, then I loosen it up with a brush. I also use some Lotus cleaning pad remover. It's not necessary, but it can make your job way easier. I also put some car shampoo into one of the buckets, but more on that later. Then I start removing most of the dirt with water. Then I apply some car washing foam. Try create a thick layer. After you left it on for a few minutes, just wash it off. After that I use the 2-bucket method. One bucket only has water in it and the other one also has some shampoo mixed into the water. Then try remove the remaining dirt. After that, wash the car shampoo off. After that, I dry the car with a microfiber towel. You can skip this step, but then it might get stained. After the paint dries completely, I start to apply some wax. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, please leave a like and comment below. See you next time.